witty crow. Learning objectives. 1. Water is essential. 2. We can handle hard situations with our intelligence. Warm up. Everyone likes different food items. Match the animals with their favorite fruits. Instruction for discussion. Ask children which food item do they like and why. Once there lived a clever crow in the forest. One summer it was very hot. It didn't rain for many days. The lakes and rivers were dry. The crows were about to die. The clever crow said, "There is no water, my friends. Let us go to a nearby city. I think we can find some water there." "That is a good idea," said the other crows. So all the crows flapped their wings. They flew up into the air. They flapped and flapped. They went higher and higher. Soon they were flying above the mountains. By the evening, the crows reached the city. They were tired and thirsty, but it was dark, so they could not find any water. In the morning, the crows looked around for water, but they could not find any water. "Where is the water?" they cried. "I will show you," said the witty crow. The witty crow found a big jug. He found some water at the bottom of the jug. "Here is some water," he cried. The other crow laughed. "The water is at the bottom of the jug," they cried. "We cannot drink the water." The witty crow found some pebbles. He picked them up one by one with his beak. He dropped them into the jug. The clever crow worked hard all morning. At last the water came to the top. The witty crow drank some water, then asked his friend to drink too. Find meaning. Clever, intelligent. Bottom, the ground. Flapped, to move wings up and down. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Imagine you see a dog lying on the ground on a hot sunny day. It is not in a good condition and looks hungry and weak. How would you help it? Share your answer with your friends. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Match the animals to their young ones. Column A. 1. Sheep. 2. Dog. 3. Cat. 4. Cow. 5. Tiger. Column B. A. Kitten. B. Lamb. C. Calf. D. Cub. E. Puppy. Sheep. Lamb. Dog. Puppy. Cat. Kitten. Cow. Calf. Tiger. Cub. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. What do you like to do? Number the activities from 1 to 6. The one you like the most should be number 1. Hiking, swimming, climbing trees, riding a bike, having a picnic, going to zoo. Write the opposite. Sunny, rainy, hot, cold, wet, dry, play, work. You made lemonade. Logical decision making. Arrange the sentences and figures according to the chapter's sequence. 1. He tried to drink, but the water was so little. 2. It was a hot day. There was a crow, and he was so thirsty. 3. The crow had an idea. He put some pebbles into the big pitcher. 4. Suddenly, he saw some water inside a big pitcher. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Where did the crows live? The crows lived in the forest. B. Why were the crows about to die? Answer. The crows were about to die because there was no water to drink. C. When did the crows reach the city? Answer. The crows reached the city by evening. D. What did the witty crow find? Answer. The crow found a jug. E. How did the water come to the top of the jug? Answer. The water came to the top of the jug when the crow dropped a few pebbles in the jug. F. Were the other crows ashamed of their behavior? Answer. Yes, the other crows were ashamed of their behavior. G. What lesson did you learn from the story? Answer. We learned that hard work pays off. Find their meanings. A. Advice, suggestion. B. Ashamed, embarrassed. C. Pebbles, small stones. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. Crows decided to go to a city. B. The clever crow found some water. C. Everyone drank water from the jug. Tick the right options. 1. One summer. 1. It was very cold. 2. It was very hot. 3. It was very windy. 2. It was very hot. The witty crow asked his friends to go to the 1. Mountain, 2. City, 3. Village. 2. City, 3. The witty crow found 1. Some pebbles, 2. A big stone, 3. A log. 1. Some pebbles. Match the following: mountains, pebbles, sun. Conceptual understanding. A. What is the meaning or the moral of this chapter? B. What do you think other crows felt ashamed of?